Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar. It's a very simple 3-chord song. So I can teach you guys the chords and the strum pattern. So here we go. Alright, first chord that we're going to use is going to be a D minor 7. You guys can use a D minor if you want. Then we're going to use a F sharp minor. Last chord is going to be an E minor. Okay, so those are the 3 chords. Now to transition for it goes D minor, F sharp minor, E minor, then back to the D minor. Okay, so I'll play an example and then I'll teach you guys the strumming. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the strum pattern right there is just going down, up, down, up. Now I do get a little fancy with the chords, so I do a tar on here, or sorry, hammer on. So on the, this I'm going down here, and then on the up, I'm going to be playing the other notes. And that is how you play this song. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and also check out my other videos, the ukulele tutorial I might have with this. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.